So, you tell me, because now I'm a movie filming, shooting movie. You tell me first Portuguese,
Was Portuguese,
yeah,
then Holland, Dutch,
then Dutch,
Dutch,
occupation,
yeah,
colony, yeah.
then British, UK,
Then British.
British people.
For how long time?
British people 300 years, more years.
Okay, 300 years. More than Dutch and
That's
Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Yeah. إذا البرتغال أول شيء، بعدين الهولنديين، بعدين الاستعمار البريطاني أكثر من 300 عام تقريبا. بطلة. This museum, huh?
This one,
Ah.
short.
شوف.
But close.
Dutch cemetery. المقبرة الهولندية Dutch cemetery.
مقبرة.
cemetery.